नमस्कार। डेस्क पे बैठे हुए सारे महानुभाव, दिग्गज, बहुचर्चित लोग जो इस तरह भी बैठे हैं, इस तरह भी बैठे हैं। आज मेरे लिए बहुत एक प्राइड का विषय है कि एक यंग नौजवान जब मेरे पास पहली बार आए थे चार्टर अकाउंटेंट बनने के लिए, और मैं टैलेंट आइडेंटिफिकेशन में काम करता हूँ। 6-8 महीने काम करने के बाद मुझे लगा कि ये सीए के लिए फिट नहीं है, सामने गए। और इनकी उस समय आदत थी, what he exactly was doing, if I share with you, you'll be literally surprised. Give him a topic and Vivekanand Jha would write a whole page. Unbelievable for me. As a CA professional, I knew that this gentleman has got the God-gifted writing ability. And I asked him to pursue, leave the CA. It was not an easy job. I've never in my life, I remember, anybody who's come to me across country from any background, I always encourage people, you can do it. And that is how this, I know a lot of chapters he's written in my office, sitting there. But one thing I can tell you, I've not even gone through the books. In fact, I didn't want to intervene into this. That was his creation to the world. But one thing has inspired me, even he worked with me, that somebody can be so committed in this world today. Sir, I remember for following you, and I don't recall some of the names, who never responded him. I said, oh my God, these people are not responding. Why you are following them up? He said, sir, no, these are the stalwart. Sir is sitting. I remember I went to you to learn what is a smart city. If you recall, sir. So this gentleman is an inspiration to the country. Now, as a writer, as a person, if you are committed with anything, he can achieve. And I said then, I'm in the business of forecasting. I'm not a soothsayer. I do forecasting for business. I forecasted for him. One day, he will become the well-known authors, not only in India, but in the world. Today, I can see him. And kind of people who have come to launch his book, I think it's the fourth or the third? Fourth. So this is the fourth book. I think many are going to come in future. Ladies and gentlemen, sisters and brothers, keep on watching. Vivekanand Jha would be a writer of the country. Watch. Watch. He is going to, I'm telling you, not because I'm associated with him. I've seen his writing abilities. I've seen his commitment. I've seen his research. Yes, people dissed him. There was a lot of obstacles in finance, but all he crossed. And that's how you are known in the world. If you face obstacles and you get a success, you know what you have done it. So it's an inspiration for people who say that job do, job do. Vivekanand has proven job low, because that's what he's creating. These are the inspiration. It's not people are asking 2 crore yuva hai kahan jayenge. You have to find your way. This country is not going to give everything to you. This person has proven that even despite no support, no efforts, no financial nothing, he has even taught students to fund his writing. Giving a big round of applause to this person who has done something credible. Sir, I will not take much of time. I would only wish Jhaji, just keep on writing, not only about Mithila, but also about this country, so that let the people know about you across the world. I'll be very happy to be associated with you and to understand at that point of time that this person has got ability to prove something to the world. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the comment.